Do you know why people are not buying your product or offer? However, you have the best product or service among your competitors. In fact, you lack one of the most important parts of copywriting in your sales page, landing page, Facebook ads, or promotional email that convinces your customers to purchase immediately. But first, tell me, do you want to build the number one digital asset that produces ongoing cash flow? If yes, download this free book in the description below. This short book teaches you how to build the number one digital asset online using just your email address while working only 15 to 30 minutes a day, ideally 20 minutes per week. So make 6 to 9 figures with just your email address. Now let's start with how to convince a customer to buy from you. Number 1, use social proof. Share the number of customers who have already used your products and services. For example, the name of your product is Weight Loss Solution. You can say the weight loss solution helped 10,000 overweight individuals around the world in the last 6 months achieve a model like body in 3 to 4 weeks. This trick motivates your customer psychologically to purchase your product and achieve the same result as 10,000 overweight people have already done. If this product already helped 10,000 people, it can do the same for new customers as well. So make sure to add social proof in your copy. Number 2, share testimonials of real peoples. A testimonial is a type of endorsement or a statement by someone who has benefited from your product or service. Testimonials help new customers hear from real people who achieved success with your product and actually solved their problems. This method allows new clients and customers to believe more in your product and take action to purchase it quickly. For the first time, when I added testimonials to my landing page in the form of a code, my conversion rate jumped to 45% because it helps people trust each other. A testimonial can be in the form of a video or a code. Remember that the video form creates more reality than other forms of testimonial. You can add testimonies to your website, sales page, landing page, opt-in page, and promotional emails as well. Number 3, support your product with new data or research. Sharing new data or research allows your customers to feel safe about your product on a scientific level. For example, the X molecule was approved scientifically by researchers in 2023 to boost your metabolism by 100 by 1200% without calorie restrictions and too much exercise. This method helps customers to consume your product without any harmful effect. Let's give an example in the email copy of how to convince your email subscribers to check out your product and purchase it. Here is the example. Hey John, do you want to achieve a model like body? Our new product called X Molecule allows you to lose 1 pound a day. Yeah, without cutting your calories and exercising. Scientists recently approved that this fat-killing enzyme boosts your metabolism by 1200%. Click here to check this new molecule. Enjoy Smith. It was an example of an email copy. So as you can see here, I support my email copy with research-based evidence. So it makes the subscribers trust the product more and feel safe. You can use the same method on your website, landing page, sales page, and promotional email as well. Number four, use guarantees in your copywriting. A guarantee is a promise made by seller to the buyer because of the quality, performance, and satisfaction of the product or service. Make sure to use guarantees in your copywriting because it builds trust, reduces buyer hesitation, and increases sales. There are different types of guarantees, but the most important ones are money back guarantees and satisfaction guarantees. For example, a 30-day money back guarantee assures the buyer that they will receive a refund of the purchased amount within 30 days if they are not satisfied with the product. So make sure to use guarantees in your copywriting, in your sales page, and your opt-in page, and etc. Number five, mention the benefits of your product or service in your copywriting. Because the benefits of the product solve customers' needs and pain points. This is what the customer wants as a solution. For example, let's say your target audience is those who want to make money online, and your product is ClickFunnels, which helps people build an online business and make money online. Here it is. Uh, ClickFunnels will help you build your landing page and thank you page in less than 5 minutes and send your promotional emails 99% in the inbox by avoiding the spam and promotional tab by Gmail. As you see, I mentioned the benefits of ClickFunnels, which is an online business builder. So I mentioned that the customer can build their landing page and their thank you page in less than 5 minutes. It's the first benefit. And send your promotional emails 99% in the inbox. 99% in the inbox is the second benefit of the click funnel by avoiding spam and promotional tab by Gmail. And this is the third benefits of the click funnel. So make sure to mention the exact benefits, the real benefits of your product or your service for the customer in your copywriting. In the end, make sure to download this free book in the description below because it helps you to build the number one digital asset online using just your email. It builds you a strong asset that produces cash flow permanently. So thanks for watching.